this here and draw a dinosaur.
Yeah, well, actually a Nachosaurus, a dinosaur with nachos on its back instead of spikes.
Yeah.
And then also I think we should add a volcano with salsa.
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers, and you also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. And because we're using markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. That just helps keep our markers lasting longer so they don't dry out very fast.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We have our paper horizontal so that we have more room to draw our dinosaur and also the volcano. Let's start by drawing our dinosaur, and then we'll add the nachos at the end after we draw our dinosaur. So let's draw a big curve. We're going to draw a cartoon dinosaur. We're going to draw a big kind of rainbow line that comes up and down. And then let's curve around for the tail right here at the end. And we could also draw a little curve that comes like this and then in. And that's for the head. let's draw the head a little bit bigger. We're going to come further. There we go. Then let's draw an eye. We're going to draw a circle right here. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle inside for the highlight. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Let's draw a little smile for our dinosaur's happy face. And we could also add a nostril. Can't forget the nostrils. Now let's draw the first leg. We're going to draw a square U. We're going to come down, over, and up. Then we can also draw another foot or leg right next to it right here that's shorter. So it looks more 3D. Then let's imagine this line going behind the front leg and coming out for the belly. We're going to draw a really short belly line. Then let's draw another square U shape for the back leg. Cool. Then we can also draw that same L, letter L, for the other back leg to make it look more 3D. And then let's finish the tail. We're going to imagine the belly line going behind the back leg, and then we're going to come down like this, curve up, and connect. There's our main shape for our dinosaur. Oh, let's add toes. We're going to add 2 upside down U's and maybe just 1 on the legs behind our dinosaur. And then we'll draw 2 on the back leg. I really like the shape of your dinosaur. And I love that our 2 dinosaurs don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome. And it's okay if your dinosaurs look different than ours too, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice. Okay, let's keep going. What should we add next?
The nachos.
Yeah, let's draw chips. We're going to draw triangle shapes, but at the top of the triangle, we're going to draw a little curve. So it's not sharp. It's not a sharp chip. There you go. And then let's draw another chip. I'm going to draw it right here. We're going to come down the front of our, oh, that was a bigger curve than this one. That's okay. Then let's add another one right here. I'm going to add another upside down V shape. Oh, I'm going to add another one too, right here, coming down the back. Yeah. Oh, and let's add even more nacho chips. We're going to draw smaller V's in between these spikes or chips. There we go. So you can never have too many chips, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you could even add another one there. I'm going to just draw a little one right there. Oh, and we could also draw a little one down here too. Oh, and maybe another one. Another one right here. Okay, it just looks like chips or spikes. What are we missing?
The nacho cheese.
Yeah, let's draw drippy nacho cheese. I'm going to draw a wavy line. Oh, and maybe some of the drips will come down even further. Like this. And yeah, you can switch and change the little drips. So some of them are small and some are big. Oh, and also we could add little drips on the nacho chips too. I'm going to add a couple drips on each of these. They look like mountains with snow on the top.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw a drip right here. Oh, and maybe also coming down off the edge of the chip. I'm going to do that over here on this chip too. And I'm going kind of fast, so if you need to, remember you can pause the video for extra time. Also remember, you don't have to draw exactly like us. You can change it and add more cheese or less cheese. You could also add extra things. Oh, maybe salsa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's going to come out of our volcano too. You could draw guacamole. You could also draw, what else do we like on our nachos? Oh, jalapenos.
Oh, yeah.
That would be really good too. Should we draw our volcano next?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. We're going to draw the shape first. So we're going to come up, and then we're going to come over, and then we're going to come back down. And it's kind of a small volcano. Then we can draw the little bottom to our volcano. I'm going to draw just a wavy line that comes over and connects. Yes, and then let's draw the lava or the salsa coming out. I don't know what's going to make it look like salsa. Maybe we need to add some tomatoes. I'm going to add a wavy line that comes down like this, and then we'll have some of that salsa coming down on the sides. Mm-hmm. Oh, and we can also draw salsa coming down the front. Maybe that's what we need to add. We need to add little tomatoes. I'm going to add little chunks on top and little squares on the side too. It's just going to look like lava.
Yeah.
That's okay. We know it's salsa.
Yes.
Yeah. There we go. And also, maybe we should add some guacamole. Where should we add it? Right here? Oh, sour cream too. I'm going to add a little curved line here and also here. So this is going to be our guacamole. I'm going to add a little curve in the middle. And then let's add some sour cream on top. We'll add 2 bumps like this. And then at the very top, let's curve going the other way. Then we'll start at the top, curve down. It's kind of like we're making ice cream or the poop emoji. There we go. That's our sour cream. Our drawing is a little crazy, but we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, it's going to look even tastier once we color it. This part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Nachosaurus. It turned out so cool.
Yeah.
This is now one of my new favorite lessons.
Same.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or you can color it any way you want.
You could also add extra things like tomatoes shooting out of the volcano.
Yeah, we added that. We also added cheese drops on the ground, and we also added spikes to the tail.
Yeah, and tomatoes on top of the nachos.
Oh yeah, we used our Art for Kids hub markers to color our drawings with. If you have the same set, you can use the same numbered colors as we did. And what color did we use for our dinosaur?
57 green.
Yeah, and we also used 35 yellow and 34 orange for the nacho cheese. Then we used 24 for the chips and also 103 to add the texture, which is a darker brown. Then we used 48 green for the guacamole, and we also used 182 for shading on the sour cream.
Next we used CG5 for the volcano.
Yeah, that's a gray color. And then we also used 11 red for the tomatoes and 2 for the sauce.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Nachosaurus.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.